Shiva, 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 Shiva.
Hey guys, this is NJ. So today we will discuss about the thumb. Thumb is the most important thing which you need to know in palmistry, and it also comes under the domain of chirognomy only. Chirognomy, I'll repeat, chirognomy, which is the study of the structure of your hand, the length of the fingers, the curvedness of the finger, the about the phalanges, the broadness of the palm, about the thumb, all these studies where you are not getting into the crisscrossing lines of the palm, because that comes under the domain of chiromancy, which is also used for the fortune telling part. But the structure of the hand tells a lot about someone's inherent personality traits. You need not need to be an expert. Just a look at someone's hand, the structure of the hand, you will get to know a lot about that person's personality. So we have already discussed everything about the fingers, that this index finger is associated with planet Jupiter, is responsible for your egoism, leadership traits. Middle finger, which is responsible, which is associated with planet Saturn, as responsible for your wisdom in this life, your judgmental skills. And this is the mid-ring finger, which is associated with planet Sun, and it is responsible for your creative and artistic abilities. And we have also discussed this little finger, which is associated with planet Mercury and is responsible for your communicative abilities and your business skills. Now comes the most important part, which is the thumb. Thumb is the soul of your hand. This is the only thing which distinguish human from the primitive and primal human beings. So that is the only reason whenever it comes to whenever we have to look at the atavistic signs or the animalistic signs, the first thing which a palmist look at is the thumb. Thumb represents your willpower and your determination in this life, and also about how logical you are in this life. So you have the leadership traits, you have the ambition, you want to achieve good goals and high goals in the life, but whether you have a matching will to attain those goals is seen from the thumb. I hope I made my point clear. You want to rise high in life, you want to become a businessman, you want to clear competitive exams, but whether you have the will to attain those goals, that is being seen by the thumb. So thumb constitutes of majorly two phalanges. You can see this one knot. So the top phalange of the thumb is known as the zone of the will. So first phalange represents your will. This is the will, and the second phalange, this represents your logic, how logical you are in this life. So many people do this thing that they consider this as well the third phalange of the thumb, but I won't consider it as that, because this is the domain of Venus, the mount of Venus. So that is the only reason why I see thumb represents your higher intelligence in this life. So let's say if you have a very prominent Venus, so like the way I was saying, why it has been called as the something which distinguishes us from the primitive man is because, like the way, for example, it is closest to the mount of Venus. Venus, which represents your compassion, your love, your sexual appetite. So someone who would have a prominent Venus with a short or afflicted or clubbed shape of thumb, so that person can go to any extent to satisfy his sexual appetites. So that is the only reason the firmness and the good shape of thumb is very important. And now what will happen, this is also important to know, what will happen if you will find the two phalanges of the thumb in different shapes. So in that case, the only thing which will happen is, let's say for example, you will find the first phalange greater than the second phalange, which means this area of this first phalange would remain to be, this portion would remain to be greater than this second phalange. So in that case, what will happen, this person will be very strong-willed, this person will have very good ability to forge ahead in life, leadership traits. He will have all the traits which are associated to succeed in the life, but he will not have proper planning, he will not have proper executional thoughts, so there that person can lack. So this kind of person, if he wants to get into any kind of business, then he needs to partner with someone who has got a very logical and very calculative mind. And what will happen if, let's say for example, you will find the first flange shorter and the second flange greater. So in that case, this person will have the ideas, will have the executional, have the plans, but he will not have a matching strong will and determination to ahead to like fructify his plans. So that is the only reason why we say. And you know, like when we go further in our this learning of the palmistry, then you will also know that whenever when we reach that stage when we have to do the career planning, whether we want to see whether someone is meant for the business or someone is meant for the service. So like the way, if you want to get into the sector of like business, you need to have very strong will. So this flange, first flange, is also given very strong importance and very strong significance in that aspect as well. And like the way I was telling you, in case of if you will come across anyone who has got very psycho or very insanity related issues, so in those cases as well we have to look at the condition of the thumb, because no matter how dominant the rebellious traits that person is, but if that person will have a strong thumb, then he would have the ability to control those rebellious traits and put a cork in all the unfavorable conditions of his life. So this is all what I had to say on this. I have explained what exactly is thumb, what it represents in the hand, and what are the two flanges of the thumb and what all they represent. So I hope you guys found this video informational. For further more updates and notifications on palmistry, please subscribe my channel and like my Facebook page. Thanks.